Welcome to this exciting journey where AI meets Arduino, Python, and real-world electronics. In this video, we'll show you how a complete dynamic LED display system can be built without writing a single line of code manually, just prompts, and the magic unfolds. I had an idea. I wanted to use the inbuilt 12x8 LED matrix on my Arduino UNO R4 as a scrolling text display. But instead of struggling with syntax or looking for example codes, I simply asked AI to generate it for me. First, I define what the AI needs to know. The hardware is Arduino UNO R4 WiFi. The LED matrix is controlled using Arduino graphics and Arduino_LED_matrix libraries. The serial input must follow a specific format: text, scroll, direction, speed. The display must keep showing the last valid message, even if no new input comes. Only up down scrolls should clear the matrix. The code must use allowed functions only. That's the instruction I gave to Gemini. Now it's time to give the prompt. Here's a screen recording of Gemini generating the entire .ANO code based on our request. No typing needed, just one smart structured prompt. Next, we take the code from Gemini and paste it into Arduino IDE. We compile it, upload it to our UNO R4 Wi-Fi board, and voila! The LED matrix starts scrolling a default message. Then we open the COM port and send text commands. Instantly, the display updates, scrolling or static, in different directions and speeds, just as we instructed. But I wanted more. In real applications, we don't use COM ports manually, we use GUI interfaces. So I thought, why not ask AI to generate a GUI to control the LED matrix dynamically? Once again, AI to the rescue. Here we ask Gemini to generate Python code using the PyQt5 framework. The prompt includes all our needs: text input, scroll toggle, direction buttons, and Gemini delivers a full working script. Let's now take that Python GUI code and paste it into our favorite IDE, Visual Studio Code. Just like that, our GUI app is ready to run. We run the Python GUI script, and there it is, a clean functional interface that talks directly to our Arduino over the COM port, all generated by AI. Time for action. Watch how we use the GUI to send custom text, control scroll directions, and update the LED display in real time. It's smooth, powerful, and completely no-code, built with AI, controlled by you. Thank you for watching. For more such practical, AI-powered tech projects, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's build the future, prompt by prompt.